Do you know that out of every one legit online business, there are about 10 scam waiting to take your money from you? Yes, the internet is full of opportunities, but if you're not careful, you fall a victim of fake online businesses, online promises that will promise you the whole world but delivers nothing. Today, I will be showing you how you can exactly spot legit online business.
Wow. Okay, let's go.
Where you can invest your time and energy and truly get paid. Hi, my name is Cecilia and I have spent years studying online income stream, from freelancing to digital products, and today I'm going to share my insider checklist so that you can never waste your time on fake promises again.
Oh, wow!
So let's dive into it. Number 1, check the business model. Yes, every online hustle has a clear value exchange. You provide a skill, a product, or service, then you get paid for your work. So examples of real models are freelancing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and content creation. So the red flag you have to spot are pay money first before you join, without any clarity of how this thing works.
Oh my god.
So, as an individual who is in a rush to make money, it will seem as if it's a great opportunity that is trying to pass you by. Number 2, transparency and of earnings. Those fake or scam online business, they will never be transparent with you. A legit hustle will show you how this money is made step by step. They will even take their time to train you on how you can make this money from their platform. For example, now, you know that when you register for, you will get paid after completing a GIG. So, for you to spot out a scam alert, they will tell you you are going to earn $1,000 per day. Even you check, somebody will tell you you get $1,000 per day by just clicking a link. It sounds too good to be true. If you agree with me, it's probably a scam. It can't be true that you just click a link and you get paid $1,000. So number 3 of what you are supposed to ask, who is the person behind this business that you are trying to introduce me to? Yes, you have the right to ask. Check if there is a variable company, or let me say verifiable company, that is behind that business, or individual that is behind that business. You can even go ahead and Google it. Check if they have a profile on LinkedIn. Then check Trustpilot. Check Reddit reviews. Yes, there is no way that a legit online business won't be on any of these platforms. Legit platforms like Upwork, Amazon KDP, or Shopify have years of reputation. So, scam often hide behind anonymity, so they won't like to come out to show themselves. Number 4, look for testimonials. Look for payment receipts. Tell them to show you payment receipts, their track record in this business. There is no any legit business that doesn't have track record. Verifiable payment systems like PayPal, bank transfer, how do they pay their people when when you are done with the tax? What tax are you doing? Some will tell you just watch a video and they will pay you. My dear, money doesn't come easy like that. You have to work for it. So any online platform that you will not work is a scam. Mark it from me today. Ask, do they know anyone that have withdrawn from that platform? Yes. Example now. Affiliate marketers will show you dashboard, screenshot, and sellers share payout record. So does this online business have it? Number 5 is skills versus skills hustles. Most legit hustles require at least a little learning. So this thing that this person is trying to introduce you to, you are not going to learn how to do it even for like a week. You just start running it. It doesn't work like that. Like legit online business, you do at least something like learning how to design, how to market your product, coding, or even selling. So fake ones will claim that there is zero skills, you don't need skills, zero effort, instant money. There is no effort, the reward is fake. Take it or leave it. The number 6 is that check the community. Legit hustles will have active communities like Facebook groups, Discord servers, forums. Yes, they have platforms whereby they gather and discuss these things. So this online business that this person is trying to teach you, do they have a community? Who are there? Number 8, test small before you go big. You don't just carry your resources and just put into it. Always test with small time or money. If it pays or works, then you can scale up. Example now, start selling a few digital products. Then before you go big or you open a bigger store. So in conclusion to this my video now, I want you to know that a legit online hustle, before you join, ask the following questions. Does it have real business model? How transparent is it? Is it transparent? Do you have real people that get paid from this thing? Does it require an actual skill? And can I verify the community and their track record? You have to be smart. If you are joining anything online, it's not as if you know those people. So if you are serious about building a legit online business, start with a proven hustle. Master it. Real money are not easy to come by. So now tell me in the comment section, which of the online hustle are you currently doing or thinking of doing? Let's discuss it. See you in my next video. Please like, subscribe and comment so that when I post next, you get a notification.